Universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of many different indicators or dyes which gives different colors at different pH values of hydrogen ion concentration of pH scale. When an acid or base solution is added to the universal indicator, the indicator produces a new color, which is used to find the pH value of the acid or base solution by matching the color with the colors on pH color chart. The colors produced by universal indicator at various pH values are shown on the screen. We will now describe how a universal indicator paper is used to measure the pH value of a solution. If on putting the drop of a solution on the universal indicator paper, the paper turns to dark red, then its pH will be around 0. Hence, it will be a strong acid. On the other hand, if an orange color is produced, then the pH will be about 4 and it will be a weak acid. If a solution turns universal indicator green, then it will be a neutral solution with pH 7. Likewise, if solution turns universal paper blue, then the pH will be 10 and it is a weak base, and if it turns paper violet, then pH will be 13 and it is strong base.